Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another example of Htaccess. So we will be loading custom error pages. Let's say if 400 is there, then which page to load. So let's get started with today's video. So first let me show you some client request error. So from 400 to 415 you can get these type of error. Let's say bad request, authorization required, forbidden, not found. So all these you can handle according to your requirement, that 404 which type of page you want to load, or 400 which type of page you want to load. Like it depends, some are using PHP extension, some are using HTML, so it depends on your requirement. Also some server errors you can get, that is from 500 to 505. So internal server error, bad gateway, service unavailable. So these also you can handle using Htaccess. So to handle these errors in Htaccess, we have one error document directive. So it can be used in global, virtual host, or directory context. So syntax, you can see error document first we will be writing, and then we will be writing 3-digit code, that is like 400, 500, 404, and after that actions. So action can be a local URL that you want to redirect to, or any external URL, or a simple string or text that needs to be displayed. So three ways you can display your custom error page. So now let's see this in action. So here you can see index page is loaded, and if I'll go to about.php, you can see about.php is loading. So now let's write any contact.php. So you can see not found is coming. And if I'll show you a network tab, let's refresh. So here you can see status is 404. And if I'll show you in headers also, so you can see 404 not found. Let's say home.php also. So it's also 404. So now let's go and create our error pages first. Let's create first error directory, and inside error directory we'll be creating one file, let's say error.html. So inside this file, let's as of now I'm just giving one heading. You will be having a proper HTML like error page that you want to display. So here I'm just giving one heading. So here I'm writing custom 404 error, let's say message. Now let's go to Htaccess file. So for handling this error types, only one line of code we need. So that is first is error document directive we need. So error document directive, and it takes first is basically 3-digit code, that is like 404, 400, 505, 500, all these things. And second, it takes the path till your like HTML or PHP, basically your custom error page that you have created. So I'm handling 404 and I'm redirecting to my error.html page. So now let's go to browser and check. So if I write contact.php, so here you can see now it's showing custom 404 error message. And let's say if I write any other page also, let's say home.php, because these pages I'm not having. So if I write home.php also, so you can see custom 404 error message only it's displaying. So another option is also there, if you don't want to redirect to any HTML page, if you want to just display string, so with error document and after like code, you can just pass string also. So that string will be visible. So let's write here custom message for error page. So if I'll refresh this, so you can see now that string is visible. So like any URL that will be having 404, this string will be visible for it. So similar way other like error codes also you can handle. So here 404, let's say if I'll just create another one, let's say for 500, and I'll pass that to error.html. So now 404 and 500 will both be redirected to error.html page. You can create separate page also, depends on your requirement. Let's say you want to apply more configurations and more like code to Htaccess, then you can also write below this, rewrite let's say engine on, and you can write another like rule below this, but this error code should be at the top, that is like recommended. That's all in this video. I've shown you a very simple example of Htaccess, how to load custom error pages. So I just want to keep it short and informative. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be covering another example of Htaccess file also. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.